Included in Rule 12, misconduct, are the mechanics and protocols for carding. By rule, all cards are misconduct, but not all cards are for inappropriate behavior. Most cards are the result of illegal, dangerous, or rough play that may or may not be intentional. Some cards are required, and some depend on the judgment of the umpire. Cards are a part of the game of girls lacrosse. The delay of game card progression has already been covered in Rule 9. Rule 12 contains articles regarding yellow and red cards. By rule, a yellow card is considered the warning card. Issuance of cards should be considered a warning to all players. A red card is an ejection card. Officials may and should upgrade penalties to yellow or red cards based on patterns of repetition, multiple fouls to slow the ball carrier, or deliberate actions. Goalkeepers must be carded just like any other player, whether inside or outside of the goal circle. If a goalkeeper receives a yellow card and there is another dressed goalkeeper, the carded goalkeeper will exit the game and remain in the penalty area for the required time. The second goalkeeper will enter the game, and a field player will be removed for the time of the penalty. This is not a choice. If there is a second goalkeeper, the second one must enter the game. If there is no other dressed goalkeeper, the current goalkeeper remains in the game, and a field player is removed from the field and remains in the penalty area for the required time. Play resumes with the goalkeeper being placed 4 meters behind the free position, whether or not the goalkeeper was inside or outside of the goal circle when she committed the foul. If the free position takes place at the center, then the goalkeeper may start in the goal circle. If there is a second yellow card or a red card on the goalkeeper, and there is a dressed goalkeeper, the second goalkeeper must enter the game. If there is no dressed second goalkeeper, time will be allowed to dress her, and she will enter. In either case, a field player will be removed for the appropriate time. Field player cards are easier. For the first yellow card on an individual field player, the player is out of the game for 2 minutes, and her team plays down 1 player. At the end of the 2 minutes, the penalized player or a substitute may enter. A second yellow card on an individual field player is a suspension. The player is out of the game and remains in the penalty area for 2 minutes, and her team plays down 1 player. At the end of the 2 minutes, the penalized player is suspended from the remainder of the game, and a substitute may enter. 2 yellow cards do not equal a red card. A red card is an ejection. For an ejection, the penalized player is removed from the game and remains in the penalty area for 4 minutes with her team playing down for that period of time. At the end of 4 minutes, a substitute may enter. The KHSA has specific policies for how many games a red-carded player must sit out and for reporting a red card. Contact your assigner for guidance. Cards on the head coach are penalized in a similar manner as cards on a field player. All cards on bench personnel, including assistant coaches, and on spectators are actually given to the head coach. For the first yellow card, the head coach chooses a field player to remove for 2 minutes. For the second yellow on the head coach is suspended for the remainder of the game. Unlike a suspended player who may remain in the team area, the suspended head coach must leave the game site. A red card on a head coach results in a field player being removed from the game for 4 minutes, the head coach being removed from the game site, and the head coach being reported to the KHSAA. It may be considered a glitch in the rules that since the head coach is carded for the misconduct of any assistant, that there is not a means by which the assistant may be removed from a game. However, by rule, if a red card is issued to a head coach for the behavior of any bench personnel, including assistants, both the head coach and the offending party are removed. If there are no authorized persons who may become the interim head coach, then the game is either ended or forfeited. We are almost finished. Each team is allowed 4 cards before a team penalty is assessed. Any carding that uses a green card, that is, the first and second delay of game, does not count toward the team total. When a team has a total of 4 red or yellow cards, that team will play down on player, that is, play 1 player less on the field for the remainder of the game. Any subsequent cards after the 4th card will result in the team playing down another player. Please understand that for any cards when a player is removed from the game and a team plays down. This means that the team has one less player across both restraining lines. At the draw, the team is allowed all 3 players inside the 2 restraining lines.